Hi, and welcome to this short video tutorial for Personal Computer Fundamentals. In this short video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download the student data files for this particular course. Now, this same procedure will work for any course that requires student data files from the Cengage site. So the first thing we want to do is we want to log in to the Cengage site. Now, this is the same site where you have access to your ebook. If you don't have access to the ebook because you don't have a username and password, please contact your CSU Student Services and or your student advisor, and they will assist you in getting that information. Alright, once you have logged in to the Cengage Learning site, you go over to the right. Down at the bottom it says Student Companion Site. You're going to click on that. Once you click on that, it's going to take you on over into the Student Companion area, and from there you're going to go over to the left side, go all the way down to the student data files link, and you're going to click that. You can ignore everything else on that site. You can play around with it all you want. We just don't need it for this particular tutorial. That brings up the downloads. Each module that you learn for Office 2010 has a set of download data files that you can access through this particular page. In this particular instance, we need a Unit 3 Word files. So I'm going to go over, I'm going to find the Word download for chapters 1 and 3, and I'm going to click on that, and that's going to start the download process. Now once the download process starts, I'm going to go ahead and say save. Go ahead and give it a user-friendly name. Don't leave the numbers unless you absolutely want to. I'm going to call mine Word data files. You're free to call yours whatever you want. Okay, you can call it office files, you can call it my files. I don't care, it's up to you. You're the one that has to find it. Okay, also make sure you know where you save it. I'm going to save mine to the desktop because that's easy for me to find it. It just makes sense. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and say save. Now I've already saved it, so I'm going to go ahead and minimize this window. I'm going to go find my Word data files executable that I downloaded. Once I find it, just double click it. Comes up with a run box, hit the run. Now this brings up the WinZip self-extractor. For this to work, you have to know where it wants to extract the files to. It tells you right here, this is the path, and it says the root of the C drive. It wants to create a folder called Course Technology, and inside that it wants to create another subfolder called Shelley Cashman, and then another subfolder called Office Intro 2010 or something to that effect. You can also browse to another location on your machine if you like. If you want to save it to the desktop and extract it, you can. It doesn't make any difference as long as you're the one who knows where you want it. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and accept the default location because for me it's easy to find. So I hit unzip. 31 files unzipped successfully. Now I just go over to my computer, or computer because I'm in Windows 7. If you're in Windows XP, it's my computer. Find your local disk C, double click it, go into the Course Technology folder, Shelley Cashman, Word 2010, then data file. From there you'll see the 3 chapters that are associated with the Word module. Inside of these you'll find all the files and images that you need to complete the Word exercises and the assessments for the end of the module. Alright, that concludes this particular video tutorial. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call your instructor and or CSU Student Services or your student advisor for more assistance. Thank you for watching.